Welcome to OU, a bastion of botanical knowledge and a hallowed temple to public education. Here we have George Lynn Cross, botanist, academic, leader for the Oklahoma people. As you can see, in his hand is the very flora of Oklahoma. This book contains in it all of the botanical knowledge of the species of our state, just as within his hands he held the future of the university. On these well-worn sidewalks and in these beloved halls, we see reminders of the beauty of nature. Here we have Reid, botany student and Iowan, to tell us about these magnolia trees.
They're basal angiosperms, so they're actually like a little different than most of the dicots or eudicots or angiosperms you'll see. Like they diverge like much earlier on than a lot of the other flowering plants. That's why they don't have a typical flower morphology like you can see in the center. There's just a lot going on there, which is not typical. Like you'd think that looking at this, it would seem like an inflorescence, but it really is just a single flower, which is pretty neat.
Thank you, Reid. Next, we'll check in with another student of botany here at the University of Oklahoma. Thank you for that. Whether you came to the University of Oklahoma to study plant biology or some subject that isn't plant biology, you will leave knowing that OU brought you the wonder of nature. Thank you.